Right, welcome to my kitchen. So this time I'm going to review a soy milk machine by Joyoung. Okay, this is a Chinese manufacturer that is specialized in making different types of soy milk machine. So this new unit, I got it not too long ago, just over Black Friday, a couple of weeks ago, and I've used it a couple times already, and I'm trying to kind of get a hang of it already. So this Joyoung model, you can see it very well on the camera. It is actually the model DJ13UG91 model soy milk maker from Joyoung. Okay, now it's pretty stylish. It is the overall white design, and it comes with a brush for cleaning, a power cord, standard US power cord, and a scythe that you can get your grimy texture out, measuring cups. There's two cups, two different size, smaller cups, and a I believe it's a water bucket and that. Alright, so the main unit here is like I think it can hold up to about a liter or so of volume. So this one is for about 2 to 5 people family. Now the main unit here is the blending unit, where it has a pretty sharp 4-blade unit and a microcomputer that is giving the control. Now this unit takes electricity from this port here, which have some rubber seal and to prevent the getting wet. All right, so now this unit have several functions here. Let me see if I can get it better zoomed in there. So it has the warming, grain, dry soaked beans, rice, paste, aromatic soy milk, nut milk, juices. Now there's quite multiple functions here. Today I'm going to try to make a kind of rice paste to see what it will turn out to be. Okay, so I have measured a cup of rice using the small cup, and I've added about a liter of water. That's straight from the refrigerator. So you don't need to soak your rice, just pour your rice right into the machines here. And I also have some walnut got from a big store, brand walnut. I'm going to add a handful of the walnut in there to see what kind of a taste it will add to this rice paste. Not a lot, it'll fold, don't worry. Now I've plugged in the unit already. I'm going to insert the blending head. Right now, so it will immediately contact and everything shines up, lights up. What you need to do is to press the select button to the rice paste and hit start. Okay, now it takes about 30 minutes or so, and let's come back in 30 minutes and see what the product turned out to be. Okay,
30 minutes later.
Alright, so it is done. Now it will beep for about a minute or so, and then it will stop beeping and at the warm keeping stage. Let's open it and see what is in there. Now it's advised to first unplug the machine first if you don't need to keep it warm. Because it's kind of dangly, but it's kind of easy to unplug it anyway. Ooh. So it's not very thick given the amount of the rice and the water. Okay, let's pour it out and let's take a look. So very steamy here. Super hot, super hot.
That totally looks like baby food.
Yeah, that looks like baby food, exactly. And I think, now let's take a look at the consistency here. It's kind of semi-thick. It's a good aroma, some walnut smell, some rice smell, super steamy hot. It's really, you cannot just drink it right now. But I think it is a good product to make nutritious broth in general, like vegetables, rice, grains, soy, different types of bean. It can all handle that. And bean would certainly have more grainy structure, stuff left behind. But rice is very cleanly finished. It could also use brown rice. Now, so this is the quick product review on this Joyoung Soymilk machine again. So this is a new model for 2 to 5 person. They also have a smaller versions for 1 person and a bigger versions for about 4 to 10 serving as well. Okay, now so like it, please subscribe, and next time I'll bring you more product review. Thank you.